Welcome to another WHOW5. Today we are going to talk about 5 ways to maintain skin health. I'm Kevin Ferreira.
I'm Shannon. So number 1, water.
Water is very important to maintain skin health. First of all, it causes hydration and help your cells to be more plump. And then hence you get a more plump look, a plump skin. And also we need water for energy and to be a cofactor in a lot of reactions that goes through the body. So a dehydrated body cannot produce good skin.
So that's where like cellulite comes from, crepey skin, and younger ages can come from that. And then you're more at risk for your body to be affected by toxins and sun damage. So that's water. That's number 1. Number 2 is if we can maintaining skin health with collagen induction therapies.
The collagen induction therapies, we understand that we have spoken a lot about collagen induction therapy. We start with anything ablative, from chemical peels to CO2 laser to microneedling, radiofrequency microneedling. All that is collagen induction therapy, which helps to build collagen and elastin and also tightens and tones skin.
Yes, and when you maintain collagen induction therapies, increases 400% or more over 6 months when you maintain those procedures. So that's why it's good to stay on the care plan.
Number 3, nutrients.
Nutrition.
Nutrition is very important for maintenance of healthy skin. We need a healthy amount of protein in our diet, from 1.3 to 1.8 grams per kilogram of ideal body weight. That's what we recommend for protein. And there are also trace nutrients which help the skin to look better.
And number 4, we're gonna avoid things that break down the collagen degradation.
There's lots of that out there. UV light, so that's why it's good to wear sunscreen. UV light, UVA, B cause DNA damage, and which damages skin and give you sunspots, and where damaged skin also shows sign of dermis and epidermis separation. So anything that will degrade collagen will degrade the skin. Again, alcohol, smoking.
Other toxins like some of your makeup, you have to watch your ingredients when you're putting topical things on your skin. That's important.
Heavy metals, and also the nano ingredients which can seep through the skin and go in on a cellular level and cause damages.
Which leads us into number 5, which is a good skincare routine that is appropriate for your skin.
Yes, it's important to be evaluated by a professional who knows about skin, because different skin requires different type of treatment.
Exactly. So you don't want to be too aggressive if you're, somebody who is younger, if you're somebody who has acne. So that we go into a lot of things. It's very important to get that assessment done and get you on the right stuff. And that is what your healthcare and your skincare team are good for.
Yeah, so there you go. Those are 5 reasons to maintain and keep a healthy skin in both looks and function. This is WHOW Aesthetics. Please leave a comment below if you're interested in this topic.
And feel free to reach out for consults, skincare routines, nutrition, all the stuff that we just talked about. You can reach us below in our social medias. And
remember, we are WHOW Aesthetics. We meet you where you are.